Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm looking at cooking a steak to a perfect temperature using a Thermapen. I love a good steak, and making sure it's cooked how I like to enjoy it is really important to me. So I always try and make sure it's cooked to perfect temperature using a Thermapen. For me, most steaks have a perfect temperature, an optimum temperature. So for this wonderful rump cap here, I'm going to be cooking this nice and rare, and that will be perfect for me. So I've taken that off at like 44, 45 degrees C, and I'm going to rest it now, and it'll carry on cooking, and it'll probably get close to 50 degrees C, and that's perfect rare for me for this stage. Let's have a taste. I've got some nice homemade chimichurri on it. That is perfect for me, just how I like my steak. And using the Thermapen, I've made sure that by cooking to temperature, not to time, the steak is perfect for me and not over or undercooked.